Hello everyone. In this video, we can find the value of this math question, which is 7 minus 5 open parenthesis 7 minus 5. Can you solve this math question? Many people can solve this question by this wrong method. 7 minus 5 equals to 2 open parenthesis 7 minus 5 again equals to 2. 2 times 2 equals 4. But trust me, this answer is wrong because the order of operation, which is called PEMDAS rule. According to PEMDAS rule, first we can solve parentheses, then exponent, then multiplication and division, after that addition and subtraction. Dear student, multiplication and division have equal priority and we can solve it from left to right. Similarly, in case of addition and subtraction, remember that multiplication and division have higher priority than addition and subtraction. Now I can remove this all wrong method and solve the question by correct method. So I can remove this wrong method. First of all, dear student, we can solve this parenthesis and then we can solve this multiplication. So I can rewrite 7 minus 5 open parenthesis 7 minus 5 equals to 2. Multiplication have higher priority than subtraction, so first we can solve this multiplication. 7 minus 5 times 2 equals 10. Okay, now here 7 minus 10 equals negative 3. This is the final answer of this math question. If you enjoy this video, then like and share to the friend. Thanks for watching.